Hi guys! We are here at Luljetta'S place, a hidden paradise nestled amidst the lush greenery of Antipolo, Philippines. It is located within Loreland Farm Resort, which also houses the Luljetta'S hanging gardens. Today, we embark on a journey of tranquility and rejuvenation, exploring the wonders of this breathtaking destination. Let's start our tour by immersing ourselves in the lush gardens that surround Luljetta'S place. The vibrant blooms and trees create a tranquil haven, inviting us to take leisurely strolls and breathe in the fresh mountain air. One of the features of Luljetta'S place is the Dr. Fish, where you can dip your feet into the refreshing waters and feel the tiny fish gently exfoliating your skin. The tickling sensation and natural healing properties of the Rufa fish leave your feet feeling soft and revitalized. Now we are at the Mikona Suite, a Mediterranean-inspired haven of relaxation and indulgence. The suite features stylish design and spacious layout, with every detail meticulously crafted to transport you to the idyllic charm of the Greek island of Mykonos. Next on our walking tour is this portion of Loreland, which features a picturesque landscape where you can take IG-worthy photos. We are now on our way to the Luljetta'S hanging gardens, which is famous for its spa treatments and services. Be warned that the stairs here are steep, but the views will surely make the trip worth it. Amenities here include hydrotherapy pools, with each pool thoughtfully designed to provide a unique experience. The Dr. Fish area here is also bigger compared to the one we saw earlier. There are also cabanas where one can rest and just enjoy the view of the greeneries. What better way to conclude a tiring trip at the Hanging Garden is to take a cool dip. That's why we are now headed to the lap pool. We also have a jacuzzi here offering utmost relaxation. And that's all for my vlog. Bye!